Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Bauer days from an email from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool deals. Alright, yeah, we got the email today, the Bauer days. I do apologize, I haven't been uploading a lot lately. Haven't been doing tool review Tuesdays because I'm going through a remodel. So I've been working on that. I've been working on painting the walls, getting everything finished before the trim for the cabinets and the countertop and the tile and all that before that gets installed. So I've been working on that after work. So I do my as you guys know, I do pest control, and this is my busy season. So kind of doing pest control and that at the same time. Alright, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So we got not Joby days, it's Bauer days. One battery powers 20 plus tools. I guess this is the tool line that they have. God, this is okay. One battery powers over 20 tools, so they got a whole bunch of tools and they're coming out with more. We got half an inch compact drill driver, $59.99. 1/4 compact impact driver kit, $59.99. Then they got the half an inch compact hammer drill, $64.99. Got the 4.5 angle grinder, $34.99. 6.5 circular saw, $44.99. A 5-inch random orbit sander, $34.99. A 3/8 right angle drill. Yeah, I saw the review for this one. This one's like super good. It's like more powerful than some of these drills. As in, that's what I saw on the review. So this is a great item here. These are all great too, by the way. All these are great for the DIY. But just the power of this one, that's catch my attention. And then we got the newer tools. We got the 10-inch chainsaw, $69.99. I gotta buy this and try it out. We got the jet flam blower, $49.99. Got the 20-inch edge trimmer, $39.99. You got the 3/8 impact wrench, $69.99. You got the half an inch impact wrench, $99.99. I do have this one. I will be working on the review as soon as I get done with my kitchen remodel. So yeah, but yeah, I do have this one. I love it. Works real good. Got the half an inch Studio Extreme Torque impact wrench, $89.99. Most likely that's about the same thing, but this is a corded version. Then I do have this one too. This is a 23 feet auto feed handheld electric drain cleaner for $99.99. You guys want to look at the video on this? All you gotta do is go on YouTube and put 23 feet drain cleaner, Bauer drain cleaner, and tool head 147, and you'll see my videos. I think I have one video, but I will be working on another video second time I use that, or not second time, but like third time I use that. So you got the 5-inch orbital palm sander for $24.99. 15 amp 12.5 portable thickness planer, $259.99. You got the 12.5 amp SDX Max Type Pro Demolition Hammer Kit, $229.99. You got the 11 amp 1 9/16 SDS Max Type Pro Variable Speed Rotary Hammer for $99, $99.99. You got the 10 amp Deep Cut Variable Speed Bandsaw Kit for $99.99. You got the 20 volt. By the way, I don't have this one, but I have the smaller one. Hammer kit. I believe it's the SDS Plus hammer kit. That's the one that I have, and it works real good. It's just like that one, but a little bit smaller. You got the 20 volt 3.0 amp hour battery, $34.99. I do have this battery. I gotta say, this battery does last long. It's a good quality battery. It's just it's just big, but it lasts a long time. 20 volt, 1.5 amp hour battery, $17.99. 35 piece impact drill and bit driver set, $15.99. 21 piece titanium drill bit set, $15.99. T-shank all-purpose jigsaw blade assortment pack of 30, $9.99. You get the set 3-piece impact rated hex drill socket driver set, $5.99. Get the 6 and 9 bimetal reciprocating saw blades pack of 9, $13.99. You get the 4.5 40 grit metal cutoff wheels pack of 10, $7.99. Plus more power, tool savings, good and better. I do have the 10-inch version of this. I love it. Works real good. Heard nothing but good things about this too. I guess one in so long, but most of them are like real good. They got a lot of features, LED lights, lasers and all kinds of stuff in there. You got the 4.5 angle grinder, $11.99. You got the reciprocating saw with rotating handle, $19.99. You get the variable speed multi-function power tool for $22.99. You get the Diamondback Beats DeWalt, $369.99. It's comparable to $7.99. This might not be the regular price, but still, you're paying a lot less for this. 4x36 belt and 6-inch sander, $64.99. 10-inch 15 amp industrial bench top, $19.99. Haven't heard good things about this. Every time somebody mentions, could be an older model. You might want to read the reviews. Every time you're buying something from Harbor Freight or even Amazon or whatnot, Home Depot, look at the reviews. Make sure that's the product that you want. For a table saw, I would definitely go with another brand. I wouldn't go Ryobi either. I would definitely stick with Hercules, like this brand. Hercules is a great one. DeWalt, what's the other one? Metabo or Hitachi. So those are good saws. I guess Hitachi has. Well, they did had a sale back, like about a couple weeks back, that if you buy a table saw, that you would get a miter saw for free, for like $3.99 or $4.99 or something like that. But anyways, yeah, definitely stick with another brand on that. Just my opinion, 2.5 horsepower, 10-inch industrial tile brick saw, $229.99. 6.5 horsepower plate compactor, $4.99. You got the 8-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press, $54.99. You can't go wrong with these. I mean, it's just a drill press and it's nice and powerful. So, it works fine. Got the mobile miter saw stand for $99.99. Got the universal aluminum mobile miter saw stand. This is for the Hercules. Well, actually, you can mix and match. You can pretty much use this on any miter saw, or this on any miter saw, basically. But this is just like the upgraded version. You got the 29-piece titanium drill bit set, $13.99. Don't expect these to last forever. There's a lot of better bits out there, but this will get the job done. If you're a DIY, want to drill once or twice, this is the product for you. You're not going to be paying a lot. You got the 4.5 cutoff wheels for metal, pack of 10, $4.99. These are great. These are cheap, and they're great. They work great. So a lot of people like to use those. You got the 3-piece titanium high-speed step bits, $8.99. You get the 10% off any 10 or 12 circular saw blade. It's a good little coupon, so if you guys need a blade. I do have this one on my miter saw. So far, it's been great. Nothing but good cuts, smooth cuts. I believe it's a 40 tooth. So, yeah, it's been perfect. I couldn't imagine how this one's really been nicer, lasts longer. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. And yes, I will be making videos. It's just that it's going to take me a while before I, come back to rhythm because of this kitchen remodel. It's just taking all my time basically. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.